Hi, my name is Julia, and it's such a beautiful day out, and I'm hearing a lot of sounds. And that means I'll be teaching you about sounds. Sounds are made from vibrations. Vibration is something that moves in a back and forth motion that occurs very quickly. I'm going to drum with beads on the drum. That's called vibration. Sound waves are moving air particles. When I'm talking to you, the air particles are moving in waves to the microphone so you can hear me. Isn't that cool? Now I'm going to show you how to make your own sound wave. Frequency is a wave that travels at a slow or fast pace. Now I'm going to show you frequency with a jump rope. This is slow, makes a small wave, and now a fast wave. It does a lot of little baby waves. Pitch is when a tone is experienced in highness or lowness. It depends on the frequency. Now I'm going to show you rubber bands on a box. Can you see the frequency?
Low pitch, low frequency.
This is low frequency. Can you see which one's the high frequency? Volume is when something starts soft and gets louder. Now I'm doing egg shakers to show you volume. So here's soft. This is loud. Let's do it one more time. Have you ever heard an echo? I have. And echo is when a sound bounces back to your ears. Now I'm going to show you echo in a metal trash can. Echo! I heard an echo. Did you? Absorption means when the sound wave is trapped in a material that does not bounce all the way back. Now I'm going to show you absorption in a metal trash can with a towel. Absorption! I didn't hear an echo. Did you? A vacuum is a space without air. Sound does not travel in a vacuum. Can you hear a ticking? I can. This is because there's air in the jar and none in a vacuum. This is sound traveling through a solid with a timer. The sound was loud because the molecules were all together. The sound is softer because the water molecules are farther apart. It sounds softer than the water and the solid because the air molecules are farther apart.